In today's video, I'm going to show you new how to get free connects on Upwork 2025. FU Guide. On Upwork, connects are the virtual tokens you use to submit proposals for jobs. And in 2025, there are a few legitimate ways to get them for free without violating Upwork's rules. The platform doesn't give unlimited free connects, but understanding the official channels can help you maximize your opportunities. First, Upwork gives you a monthly allowance of free connects when you have an active membership. For most free tier accounts, this is typically around 10 connects per month. You can check your balance by opening Upwork on your web browser or the app. Now, go to your profile icon and selecting Settings. Go to Membership and Connects. Any unused connects roll over to the next month, up to a limit set by Upwork, so it's worth tracking and saving them strategically. Another way to earn free connects is by completing Upwork skill tests or learning paths. Occasionally, Upwork runs promotions where finishing a learning course on Upwork Academy rewards connects. Keep an eye on your notifications and Upwork Academy dashboard to spot these opportunities. You can also receive free connects by inviting friends to join Upwork. When someone signs up through your referral link and completes their profile, Upwork may credit you with connects as part of their referral program. Make sure your friends use your referral link and fully set up their accounts to ensure you get the reward. Finally, during special Upwork promotions or events, the platform occasionally gives away extra connects. These promotions are announced via email, the Upwork app, or in the community forum. Avoid third-party websites claiming free unlimited connects, as these are almost always scams that can put your Upwork account at risk. In short, to get free connects in 2025, track your monthly allowance, participate in Upwork Academy courses, use referrals, and watch for official promotions. Using these methods keeps your account safe while steadily increasing your proposal capacity. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.